Good morning, guys. Today we've got here Alcatel 1B, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. First of all, open your Play Store. Then click on your account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. And here click on See Details under Updates Available. And here you've got all apps of yours, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon. Now it appears at the top of the list and you can observe the progress, or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.